player from the Indonesian side, what had the coach emphasized most in the preparation for the game?
Well, of course, as us players, we have to be ready for any game, and we want to make our country proud. So whoever our opponent is, we have to be ready and give our best.
Had the team for like physically strong team to test against DR Congo.
今どのような準備を今後その向けてどのような準備をしてますか？
初めてやるので詳しいところはまだ分かっていないです。でも強いってことを聞いているのと、いいチームだってことを聞いているので、私たちは本当に基本的なことをしっかりやって勝とうと思っています。
And the last question for players from both sides, Claudia. What can you say something to the fans for who will watch this tournament from two Indonesian fans?
For all Indonesian fans, of course, because this is our first time meeting countries from outside other continents, because of course, the first time we play against from other continents. So for the fans in Indonesia, please keep supporting us no matter what, and we'll always give the best for the country.